Welcome back to Autoscope. Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, comfortable, innovative, and sustainable travel. External design, classic silhouette with a modern twist. The Volkswagen California or Grand California retains its recognizable, boxy design, but its lines are more aerodynamic and modern. Lightweight composites will most likely be utilized. In the body materials for durability and fuel efficiency, panoramic windows, larger windows and maybe a panoramic sunroof can provide unobstructed views. Integration of external technology, advanced 360-degree cameras, parking sensors, and possibly an external touch panel to control particular features. Interior high-end and eco-friendly materials. A lot of recycled and eco-friendly materials will be used. The integrated infotainment system is a large center touchscreen. The kitchen will be ergonomically constructed with an induction cooktop, sink, refrigerator, freezer, and plenty of creative storage space. Adaptive lighting. A smart LED lighting system's intensity can be adjusted. Connectivity and automation. All devices will always be powered thanks to wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot. Electrified Powertrain PHEV or BEV. The 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is likely to come with plug-in hybrid electric vehicle PHEV powertrains, either standard or optional, or maybe a fully battery electric vehicle BEV variant. Advanced driver assistance systems ADAS include automated park assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control ACC with stop-and-go capabilities. Adaptive suspension, a suspension system that can adjust to the vehicle's load and the road conditions can provide a comfortable ride. Intelligent energy management, a state-of-the-art system will regulate power usage from the vehicle's batteries, solar panels, and external sources to optimize efficiency. Advanced security features, security cameras, GPS tracking, and a more advanced alarm system.